This is a stellar deal on a 3-pack of Aviator sunglasses. It's the classic shape, classic design, and they do have them in different lens colors and different frame colors. I liked these three because I like that it has more of the warm tones to it. And I like that one glass that has actually you can really see through it. It's not dark. I don't prefer dark lenses. I prefer more of that amber tone or something that's almost clear but does give you some shade or even a transition. That's fantastic. But you'll see here you get three in the pack. They all come in one box. These make a great gift. These are great for travel too. I mean, especially if you're going to go to a sunny destination because you might lose them. And at this price, it's okay. And you got two other backups. I mean, seriously, this is a great idea for, packing for your next vacation. So you have three. You also have a dust jacket so they don't get scratched up. And there's also a lens, a soft lens cloth in there for you too as well. But look at how beautiful those are. They're just a nice classic shape.